Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tinker once again, and today we will be discussing about the Android 11 features which has just launched a few months ago, and most of us are using Android phones, so I think this video would be necessary for you if you will be using a Google Pixel or a Xiaomi Mi 10, because that will have a Android 11 update so soon. So friends, most of are using the Android 10 version or the older one. But if you are using an now at the moment Google Pixel 5 or 4a 5G or the Xiaomi 10 Pro, you would be getting a Android 11 version very soon. But don't worry, if you are using the Samsung or other brands, you will be getting it very soon. But today we will be discussing about the 11 unique features of this Android 11. Let us discuss about some of the unique features. Our first feature is about smart device control. That means in this function you would be able to control all your smart devices in your home in just one single option. Now Google has added a new function in the option or in the touch bar option that controls your all home appliances or lights in just one single click or just one single option that will able to turn your lights on and off, etc, etc. Our next feature is about the conversation notification. In this feature or in this function, you will be benefited by using or you will be saving your time, because in your conversation across messaging apps are now in one spot and can be prioritized. That means some bubbles would be there and you could just click with it and have a multi-text response without having to open your chat app, or like you're chatting in messenger or at the same time you're chatting with your phone message system, then you will be have that all in one bubbles. Next feature is about the update via Google Play Store. That means in this feature, Android 11 gives more power related to updates over the Google Play Store, and this allows Google to bypass queries and OMS entirely and push out updates to everyone. Of course, it still can't issue the latest version of Android in this version or even the latest security patches. However, it can fix some security holes with this method and even update specific aspects of the Android system too. Our next feature is dark theme. That means now in Android phones, that means from now on in Android 11 or your next Android generation phones will be having a dark theme. That means iPhone already has a dark theme. If you're an iPhone user, then you obviously know what is dark theme in all the applications. That means each and every application which will not have a access to dark theme, this will have it, because Android 11 now lets you use the dark theme in every application. Our next feature is about the media controls. As most of you who are using Android 10 right now, you know when you play a music, the notification just stays on the top of it. But now in Android 11, it won't appear now, because there will be it will be needed for conversations notification. That means that will be hidden from your on your notification sector, and then it will be set it to quick notification settings, and Google decided because it makes sense. Our next function is about the notification history. Feature is the most awesome and the most needed feature in nowadays, because sometimes when a notification comes and then you accidentally or willfully you sweep it away, but there is a option now where in Android 11 you could check your notification or the previous notification you might have missed it. How great that is. Next feature is about the permission auto reset. You have heard the Google privacy and security issues, but Android 11 is one of the most advanced of it and the secure of it, because now you don't need to put single or each and every permission for that, and each and every app will be auto reset if you do not use it for a longer time. Our next is dark mode scheduling. Means that you could schedule your dark mode when you have on the dark mode, or when and what time you need a dark mode, because you might not have the time when to enable the auto dark mode, but Google will done it by itself, because now Google have a function that if you enable the time when you want to have a dark mode, then Google will automatically, or the Android 11 will automatically enable your dark mode. Our next feature is only for the Google Pixel users. If you're a Google Pixel user, then only you can get this feature, which is app suggestion. In your dock, you have to choose your apps which you want, but Google's AI assistant AI option will be getting your apps or the apps which you use regularly. Then that Google Assistant or the Google AI technology will give you the apps in your dock. This will be fully automatic, and Google AI technology will understand which app you need instantly, and then they will give it to you in your dock. Our next feature is about the privacy for enterprise user person who gave you Android phone from your office, and that office or your company will have a monitor on your personal use. Now, in this option or in this privacy for enterprise user, you will get a work profile and a personal profile too. Then you can swap each another when you want. As a result, your own or personal uses or your security would be tied, and everything wouldn't be visible to the company who gave you the phone. Next is voice access has a more context aware. You might have a question why I said context aware. That means previously if you use a Google Assistant, then you might understand that because Google Assistant just orders and could play you something. But in this new feature of this Android 11, you could ask your Google Assistant to open your Twitter, and also you can ask your Google Assistant to make a tweet for you. That means they're much more easy for you to tweet anything. So that was all for the Android 11 features. But Android 11 also have much more great features. That is much more unique, which I discussed. So you can check it out in other videos, or if you want more features, you could obviously comment down below. I didn't discuss all the features, but there are more and a huge amount of features in Android 11. If you are a Pixel user, they can obviously check it out and obviously get it. So that was all for today. Subscribe to the first person to get technology video in my channel. And if you have any problem regarding my video or any questions regarding my videos, so you can obviously comment down below. Thanks for watching.